This past week, the Shelby County Sheriff's Office was proud to support the safety and security of the Delta Fair. Deputies maintained a strong presence both on the fairgrounds and in the parking areas, providing extra patrols to help ensure that attendees could focus on enjoying the excitement and festivities. Our drone unit was also deployed throughout the event, using aerial support to enhance situational awareness and assist deputies on the ground. Our Community Service Bureau and recruiting team were on hand, greeting attendees, answering questions, and providing helpful information about the services we offer. Throughout the week, our dedicated emergency services personnel were available to provide immediate medical attention, ensuring that everyone had a safe and enjoyable time. We would like to take this opportunity to extend our sincere gratitude to the volunteers, deputies, and emergency services personnel who worked tirelessly throughout the week. Your commitment and dedication to serving a community are truly appreciated.